Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So I hope you are doing good, your family is doing good, you are healthy, fit and fine, everything is going good in life. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss how to buy sovereign gold bond. So to buy sovereign gold bond and I'll also tell you what are the benefits and features of sovereign gold bond and why should you buy it or why you should not buy it. So to see if see about sovereign gold bond, you can visit this website. I'll provide the link in channel description as well, nseindia.com. From there, you go to about, go to our products. In our products, browse down, and you will see sovereign gold bond. Click on this link. So here you can read about sovereign gold bond. RBI issues it. Every year they are issued and they are issued in parts. There is a term called tranches. So there are tranches, various tranches for the sovereign gold bond. Okay, so if you want to apply it offline, you can apply it through here, clicking these links, physical mode and demat mode. As we have a demat account, as I personally use Zerodha, so I will show you how to use demat mode and apply it online. If you don't have a demat account, if you want to apply offline, you can select these modes. Okay, so first let's discuss the advantages. So here it mentioned uh, it's safest, zero risk of handling physical gold. We all know that. Also, it provides 2.5% assured interest per annum on the issue price and no TDS applicable on interest. Benefit if bond is transferred before maturity, capital gain tax exempt on redemption. Purity, of course, it's there, it's 99.9% pure. And if you compare, we all know physical gold. Most of us will be knowing physical gold because it is a traditional way of investing in gold. We all know. Gold ETF, I also buy this personally. I buy these gold ETFs personally. Whenever market goes volatile, I safely deposit my money in gold ETFs, and whenever the tranche is open, I buy SGB, also sovereign gold bond. So as you see the comparison in this chart, you can actually go and read it out. It's nothing I have to tell much about it. Okay, so how to see when the series, when will be the bond issued, what's the opening date, closing date, and all that. When you scroll down, you can see here, click here to check RBI circulars. Click here, it will say okay. Now you see here, May 14, 2021, Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme 2021-22 series. Click here. So this is the notification. Here you can see. So for this year 21-22, this is tranche series 1. Date of subscription is 17th May to 21st May, and it will be issued by May 25th. That's for here. So how to buy it? For me, I personally use Zerodha and Upstox. So from Zerodha, you can buy it online. For Upstox, I have tried to do everything, but there is no way you can buy through Upstox. Although, if your bank is listed, then you can buy through internet banking and mention your Demat account ID when you are buying gold through your bank, and it will come to your Demat account. To see the list of banks, you just click here in application. When you scroll down in RBI website, you will see here commercial banks and a list will open and you can check here. Okay, so this is the list of banks, public sector, private banks, and all that. Okay, you can just check it. I'll mention all the links in the description. So to buy in Zerodha, you just click on new tab and go to coin.zerodha.com. Once you go here, I have already logged in. So if you have a Zerodha account, you can just directly log in here, coin.zerodha.com. Then you go to your user ID, and here you will see the option ETF and SGB, Sovereign Gold Bond. You click here, you scroll down, here you can see Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme 2021-22 Series 1. This is Series 1, first tranche of the year. Here you can see Series 1. Series 2 will open on 24th to 28th May. Okay. So here it's showing the price 4727. Minimum you have to buy one quantity, and then on multiples of one you can keep on buying and just place order. Once you place the order, it will be executed and you get it by issue date in your Demat account. Okay guys, so this is the way you can buy through Zerodha. For up stocks and other brokers I'm not sure, but up stocks I use personally. So for up stocks you need to buy it via your internet banking. That's for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and show your love. Thank you. Have a good day.